Okay, so we're kind of in this colorful little area, so we're gonna follow this around and you can kind of see some of the debris. Everything's kind of getting cleaned up, but we're still lots of things that are down too. So okay, we'll come back and we'll show you all that. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha. Okay, so we have some metal. It's already been piled up, so I don't know where it came from exactly, but basically it's 3 p.m. now. So they've already started to clean up quite a long time ago, and you can see they've chainsawed those. So I don't know if those came from. Not sure, but you have more of this. So some of the other videos we were filming was in this low flooding area where there's not many trees, but this has more trees and such in this area. But yeah, it looks like you cut them down and put them over here, and then we're gonna see what else we can see, because over there is kind of a waterfront area. I think the wind wouldn't come from that particular direction. It's a little bit enclosed, but anyways, the wind is kind of everywhere, so you can see some of the damage here. I think this is a government building, so I have to be careful about filming it. There's a guard, so I'm gonna film over on this side, and this side you can see the street and all this right here. So it looks like they probably intentionally moved these here just for the storm here. So we're just gonna so I don't know if I'm allowed to film in that. That's a government building. I think that's where the mayor or governor or whoever that is. Hello. Maybe I can film there, I don't know. But yeah, so they're doing a big cleanup effort. So you can see they're just kind of moving these. These came off of the trees over here, and we'll just walk down a little bit further, try to capture. But yeah, in other parts, there was mostly more tree stuff that happened. So stuff like this. So if you can see that. Thank you. So you can see this giant tree that went down over there too, inside. I don't know if I can film inside or not, but there's a giant tree that went down right there. Anyways, I think we're gonna be here's a big building with scaffolding, but we might just stop it right here. So yeah, there's lots of trees that came down in the places where there are a lot of trees. All right. So we're on the other side of this pink-ish building. Yeah, now we got a little bit of damage over here too. So just jumped across the street there, and but actually it doesn't look too bad. Looks like they cleaned a lot, or that looks cleaner than usual actually. Let's see what's down below. Yeah, it looks like they basically cleaned. There's a little bit of debris, but for the most part it looks like they went through and cleaned everything. This one has a giant tree part that it's stuck there. So if I have to take a chainsaw to get that one, so you can't just pull it out like the other ones. That probably came from that one, and this one came from the other side of the tree. Okay. Anyways, but in general, it's not too bad. All right. That scaffolding up there looks pretty bent from the wind. All right, so we'll end it right there. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button.